How to add order tracking page on Shopify in India. I'm going to show you how you can easily add an order tracking page on Shopify in India. There are a few ways to add a track your order page at Shopify. You can either use Shopify's native platform or a third-party Shopify order tracking app. Follow these steps to add a track your order page on Shopify and with a third-party app for branded tracking. Using Shopify, first, add tracking numbers before fulfilling orders. In your Shopify admin, go to Orders. Now, choose an order that's either partially fulfilled or unfulfilled. On the fulfillment page, enter the tracking number. Shopify can auto-detect carriers. If not, manually select from the list. Then add tracking numbers after you've fulfilled orders. In the admin, head to Orders and select the number of the processed order. In the Fulfilled section, you can then add tracking for the shipment. Once the tracking information is added, customers will receive an email, assuming that option is checked, and they can follow their order directly on the order status page. The easiest option on the market is Malamo's drag-and-drop tracking page creator, which allows merchants to customize their tracking page within your Shopify theme in minutes. With 2 clicks, your new tracking page can be up and running. Before you can implement a beautiful branded tracking page, you will have to get on the Malomo platform. You can do so by checking out the Malomo pricing page and Malomo demo page. Once you have installed Malomo, you can follow the steps to brand your tracking page.